Lamsoko joto naitongnai my contest Tripura YouTube channel norok kaisa screen nugui man tongkana oro Youth Affairs and Sport Department Government of Tripura official website kaisa job notification katalongkorka aboke employment advertisement 2025 junior physical instructor group C job notification ongkormani abongke total post tongo 301 total post vacancy tongo 301 engke faidi singtini abonono nailenai tamtamo official website oke job advertisement ongkormani tamtamo category wise rok job vacancy tong singtini nailenai qualification rok tam nangnai form fill up rok bahike khlaina nangnai submit khain nangnai written test type process of bahai tonai singtini amonono kahamke silainai faidingke video channel sakang kaisa request khayo friends ong keba ani YouTube channel no tini kadal nai tongka keba subscribe khai kongka subscribe khaina di type bell icon sina tapok di kadal video upload khaber notification thangsogonya bagai official website oke job notification kadal ongkormani 7 February 2025 oke date notification ongkorka abongke employment advertisement abongke Youth Affairs Sport Department Government of Tripura engke ojago total post vacancy tongo junior physical instructor ni bagai group C job ongkormani abongke 301 post nong thajing site thangka tayaro category wise bo post vacancy khagjak tongo total post engkang jago 301 engke S rong bagai tongo 35 post vacancy tongo aboni bisingo bori rong bagai tongnai 33% women reservation tong boni bagai 12 post tongnai bori rong bagai tai total tongnai 35 PH candidate aro tongnai bongni duita post tongnai PX serviceman rong bagai kaisa post tongnai S rongke 18 18 post tonga amon bisingo PH candidate rong bagai engke ekta PX serviceman rong bagai duita post tongo 33% women reservation tongo soita vacancy tongnai bori rong bagai amoke ST unreserved rong bagai engke 248 total vacancy tongo PH candidate 10 vacancy tongo EX serviceman bagai 3 post vacancy bongni tongnai tai 33% reservation ke 82 number of total post 82 vacancy bongni bagai tongnai bori rong bagai tongnai aboke unreserved category fixed pay per month salary or mention khlaijak 16050 per month abahike beton mannai pay scale or mention khlaijak tongo level 7 ojaga mention khlaijak tongo 21400 to 67900 abahike mention khlaijak tongo kintu norok fixo tongpro per month tongnai salary 16050 abahike mention khlaijak tongo application submit khaina nangnai abongke online nglak offline nangnai abongke 10 February 2025 ni simi 10 March 2025 up to 5:30 PM joroti norok sarekni 5:30 PM joroti norok apply khlaimanai abongke mention khlaijak tongo oro norok table nongui mang tongana oro district headquarter mention khlaijak tai application receiving center oro mention khlaijak tongo West Tripura district Sipahijola Gumoti South oro mention khlaijak kubangma janjani district tongmani ajago norok thangai oro mention khlaijak tongo norok aro application submit khlaina nangna tai form norok description link norok direct manai aro download khlaiye norok form fill up khaye janjani district thangai norok jama ready receive center rok thangai eligibility criteria aro mention khlaijak tongo amongke 100% direct recruitment nangnai angke ajagabo job process tongnai amongke total mark 100 mark ni tongnai oro mention khlaijak tongo physical fitness test abahai qualify ngna nangnai oro mention khlaijak tai ajagabo written examination 85 mark ni 2 hours duration tongnai tai interview tongnai 15 mark ni viva eba interview tongnai ke total ka 100 mark ni S limit tongnai ajagabo 18 simi 40 bochor joratoi 7 February 2025 ni bisingo 40 bochor kajak noro apply khlaimanai tai realization tongnai 5 year abongke SC ST PH candidate borokni bagai 45 year jorate apply khlaimanai educational qualification ke mention khlaijak tongo madhyamik pass ke norok apply khlaimanai aboni logi tongna nangnai nongni certificate sport department ni state level eba national level ni nongni kaisa certificate tongna nangnai duita aro mention khlaijak tongo certificate of state meet eba certificate of national meet abaike mention khlaijak tongo certificate tongkangke noro job apply khlaimanai tai PRTC tongna nangnai permanent resident tripper certificate abahai PRTC tongke job apply khlaimanai tam game thungjak abahai certificate tongkangke apply khlaimanai oro another third oro thangai check khlaimanau tai permanent resident certificate nangnai thajing saithanga ke knowledge bengali eba kokrok tongna nangnai ba saimana nangnai bus mention khlaijak tongo jagao game and sport tayo jaga syllabus mention khlaijak aboke subject ke oro full mark tongnai 60 mark ni tongnai abonke game and sport ni 2 hours time duration tongnai general knowledge and current affairs tongnai oro syllabus mention khlaijak 25 mark ni MCQ tongnai ga total 85 mark ni written test tongnai ke oro viva ba interview tongnai 15 mark ni 15 mark ni interview tongnai distribution of sport achievement abaki mention khlaijak tongo amke participate khlaijak sport player thungjak obahai tongkangke oro mention khlaijak tongo international medal holder obahai ke mention khlaijak 7 mark obahai ke rajangnai ke oro mention khlaijak tongo participation in international games oro joto details mention khlaijak tongo obahai ke mark rajangnai the date scoring mark amorok joto milawai written exam ni mark milawai jara mark kabang bisik phainai qualifying nai borok interview bagi call khlaijanai tai merit list ongkhnai abongke written examination ni tai interview viva mark joto add khaye je mark kabang ongkhnai jara qualifying nai borok o jaga ke merit list final ongkhnai ke borok job mannai scoring table tongo abake physical fitness test ni bagai tam tongnai chelarong bagai oro ke chelarong bagai abake bereng bagai oro mention khlaijak tongo joto details norong naina bagai PDF download khlaina di norok kahamke tebo sinai naiye engke norok description link direct manai norok aro thangai PDF download khlainai di official website ni